If you're looking to clean up your bags on your bagger and get rid of some of these dried out spots and stains and stuff, all of these, look at these scuff marks. I mean, look, it happens with time. It happens when you're putting stuff in here and you're looking to, you know, renew this and make it look nice again. I got just the video for you. So this is my other bag, which I've completely restored. Look how new that thing looks. I mean, it looks good. It came out really nice. No more scratches, and the plastic renewed, no more dried out spots. Came out really good. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. Okay, so this is the stuff that you're gonna be using. It's called Solution Finish. Black Trim Restorer brings black back. So Solution Finish. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description box below to where you can purchase this stuff from. This works great on all vehicle trim. So this can work for any car, black plastic, or even not car. It could be marine, anything that has black plastic or trimming that you wanna bring back the finish on. This stuff is excellent for it. So I'm gonna show you how I will go ahead and apply this to the inside of the bags and how it's gonna bring it back. So as you can see how faded and messed up it is right now, and then how this stuff restores it. So what you're gonna wanna use is a microfiber cloth or some sort of applicator. I'll show you how I go ahead and do it. So pretty much all I do, actually let me just shake it up here for a bit. And then all I'm gonna do is apply some on to the microfiber cloth. Get it nice on there like that. Actually, let's get a little bit more on there. And then I'm just gonna start rubbing it around. Now I'll start at the bottom and then work my way up. And the reason why I'm starting at the bottom, because this stuff is gonna get everywhere in here and I don't want it to get all on my hands and arms. Or I shouldn't say hands, I'm wearing gloves, but my arms. Do not go cheap on this stuff. Put as much as you need. I would drench it, kind of like how I'm doing here. Get a bunch in, because you're really gonna want it to sit and soak into the plastic. And you can already see as you put it on, the plastic gets better, but some products do that and you think that you're gonna get like a great product, or a great result I should say, and then you don't get that great result. They go back to whatever the normal finish is once you wipe it off. This stuff does not do that. Now, you just wanna go around and make sure that you haven't missed any spots and just do some touch-ups before we go ahead and just let it soak and sit into the plastic. Now, if yours isn't as bad as mine is, you don't have to let it soak for that long. Maybe a few minutes would be enough, 1 or 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave mine to soak probably for like an hour or two, just to sit in there, maybe even 3 possibly, just to sit in and absorb into all of the plastics. But keep in mind, mine is really, really in bad shape, so. Okay, so now what you're gonna wanna do is just let it sit. Like I said, I'm gonna leave mine to sit probably for like an hour or 2, and then I'll come back, I'll wipe everything down. I'll probably wipe this down really quick, but then yeah, I'll let it sit for about an hour or 2 and then come back, wipe everything down and show you guys the final product. All right, now all we have to do is wipe the excess off. It's already been a few hours that I've been letting it sit, and then see what our final product is. Now I just want to give you guys some close-ups. I am super happy with the finish result. I mean, it came out looking really good. Let me just show you guys here. It came out looking really nice. So I'm super happy with it. Just remember that if you did this and it didn't come out to how you wanted it to come out, you can always reapply, put more on there, and let it sit for a longer period of time until it's completely restored. But overall, I'm happy with the way that it came out, and hopefully this helped you. Man, is the bike looking good or what? Anyways, listen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment down below letting me know if this video helped you or not. Like I said, you can use this technique on any plastic, any plastic that you want restored. This will bring it back to light. If you are looking to purchase this product, go ahead and do me a big favor and click the link in the description box below and purchase it through my link. That does help my channel out. So I really appreciate it if you go ahead and purchase it from that link and not purchase it from anywhere else. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget, make sure you guys are putting good energy out there into the world and that you are paying it forward. Very important. I'll check you guys out later. Have a great rest of your week. Bye now.